Tired of unwanted text messages and spam? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block spam in Google Messages step by step. You'll learn how to block unwanted senders, report spam, and enable Google's built-in spam protection to keep your inbox cleaner. Start by opening the Google Messages app on your Android phone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so you have access to the newest spam protection features. Find the conversation from the sender you want to block. Open the chat and review the number or contact name to make sure you're blocking the correct sender. Tap the More Options menu, then choose Block or Block and Report Spam, depending on your device. If prompted, confirm your choice. Reporting spam also helps improve Google's spam detection system. For even better protection, open Google Messages settings and look for spam protection. Turn the feature on if it's available. So, this allows Google Messages to automatically identify many suspicious text messages before they become a problem. If you ever need to review blocked contacts or manage spam conversations, return to your message settings or blocked contacts section, depending on your device. From there, you can unblock a sender if necessary. Even with spam protection enabled, avoid replying to suspicious messages or tapping unknown links. Blocking and reporting unwanted senders is one of the safest ways to reduce spam and protect your personal information. And that's how to block spam in Google Messages. With built-in spam protection and blocked senders, you can keep your inbox safer and much easier to manage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful technology guides, and thanks for watching.